Hey everyone, welcome back to Nova Rich, where we make money simple, practical, and actually fun. Today we are talking about one of the most powerful things you can do for your finances, budgeting. And before you click away thinking budgeting is boring, hear me out. Because the way most people think about budgeting is completely wrong, and that wrong mindset is costing them thousands of dollars every single year. By the end of this video, you are going to have a simple, proven system to take full control of your money starting today. No complicated spreadsheets, no tracking every single penny, just a clean, simple framework that actually works in real life. Let's get into it. First, let me ask you something. Do you ever get to the end of the month and wonder where all your money went? You got paid, you paid your bills, and somehow there's almost nothing left. Sound familiar? This happens to almost everyone, and it's not because you don't make enough money, it's because nobody ever taught you what to do with your money once you get it. School teaches us math, history, science, but nobody teaches us how to actually manage the money we earn. That is a massive problem. Here's the truth. Without a budget, your money controls you. With a budget, you control your money. It's that simple. A budget is not a restriction. A budget is a plan, and people with plans always end up ahead of people without plans. Now let me introduce you to the simplest and most effective budgeting system ever created. It's called the 50-30-20 rule, and it works for people making $30,000 a year and people making $300,000 a year. The percentages stay the same, only the numbers change. Here's how it works. You take your monthly take-home pay, that's your income after taxes, and you divide it into three buckets. 50% goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, 20% goes to savings and investments. That's it. Three buckets, three numbers, the entire system. Let me break each one down. The first bucket, 50%, goes to your needs. These are the things you absolutely must pay every month to survive and function. Rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities like electricity and water, transportation like your car payment or bus pass, health insurance, minimum debt payments. These are non-negotiable expenses, things you cannot live without. Now here's an important reality check. If your needs are taking up more than 50% of your income, that's a signal. It means either your income needs to go up, or your fixed expenses need to come down. Maybe you're living in a place that's too expensive. Maybe your car payment is too high. This is valuable information. The budget is showing you exactly where the problem is. The second bucket, 30%, goes to your wants, and this is the bucket most people either ignore completely or go way overboard on. Wants are everything that makes life enjoyable but isn't strictly necessary: eating out at restaurants, Netflix and other subscriptions, shopping for clothes you don't need, weekend trips, coffee from your favorite cafe, hobbies, entertainment. Notice I'm not saying eliminate your wants, I'm saying limit them to 30%. You still get to enjoy your life, you still get to go out, you still get to have fun, you just do it within a number. And knowing that number is incredibly freeing because you don't feel guilty spending money when you know it's in the budget. The third bucket, 20%, goes to savings and investments. And this is the most important bucket of all. This is the bucket that builds your future. This 20% is what creates financial security, builds wealth, and eventually gives you freedom. This 20% covers your emergency fund first. Remember, you need at least 3 to 6 months of expenses saved up before you start investing heavily. Once your emergency fund is fully funded, this 20% goes straight into investments, index funds, retirement accounts, building real wealth. Now I want to share the single most important rule in budgeting, and most people get this completely backwards. Pay yourself first. Here's what most people do. They get paid. They pay rent. They pay bills. They buy groceries. They spend on whatever they want. And then at the end of the month, if there's anything left, they save it. The problem? There's never anything left. It gets spent every time. Here's what you need to do instead. The moment your paycheck hits your account before you pay anything else, transfer your 20% to savings. Automatically. Set up an automatic transfer for the day after payday. You never see the money, you never miss the money, and your savings grows every single month without you having to think about it. This one change, paying yourself first, is the difference between people who build wealth and people who stay broke their entire lives. It sounds so simple, but it is genuinely life-changing. Now let me talk about how to actually set this up in real life. Because theory is great, but implementation is everything. Step 1. Calculate your monthly take-home income. This is your income after taxes. If you get paid bi-weekly, multiply your paycheck by 2.117 to get your monthly average. Write this number down. Step 2. Calculate your 50% needs number. Take your monthly income and multiply by 0.5. That is the maximum you should be spending on needs every month. Now list all your fixed monthly expenses and add them up. Are you under or over that number? Step 3. Calculate your 30% wants number. Multiply your monthly income by 0.3. This is your fun money. Eating out, entertainment, shopping, all of it combined should stay under this number. Step 4. Calculate your 20% savings number. Multiply your monthly income by 4.2. Set up an automatic transfer for this amount on payday. Done. Let me give you a real example. Let's say you take home $3,000 a month after taxes. 50% of $3,000 is $1,500. That's your needs budget. Rent, groceries, bills, everything essential stays under $1,500. 30% of $3,000 is $900. That's your wants budget. Restaurants, shopping, fun, all of it stays under $900. 20% of $3,000 is $600. That goes straight to savings and investments on payday before anything else. Simple, clean, powerful. Now I know what some of you are thinking. What if my numbers don't fit perfectly? What if my rent alone takes up 40% of my income? Here's the thing. The 50-30-20 rule is a guideline, not a law. Life is not always perfectly clean. If your needs are at 60% right now, that's okay. The goal is to work toward the ideal over time. Maybe you find a roommate to cut rent. Maybe you pick up extra income. Maybe you cut one subscription. Small steps in the right direction add up to massive change over time. The important thing is not perfection. The important thing is awareness. Most people have no idea where their money goes. The moment you start tracking it, the moment you assign every dollar a job, everything changes. Let me also quickly talk about the tools you can use to make this easier. You don't need a complicated spreadsheet. There are apps that do all of this automatically. YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget, is one of the most popular budgeting apps in America. It connects to your bank accounts, categorizes your spending automatically, and shows you exactly where your money is going in real time. Mint is another free option that does similar things. Simple, easy to use, and free. Or honestly, even just a simple notes app on your phone where you write your 3 numbers: needs budget, wants budget, savings amount. That's genuinely all you need to start. Alright, let me recap everything. The 50-30-20 rule divides your income into 3 buckets: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and investments. Calculate your 3 numbers based on your actual take-home income. Pay yourself first. Automate your savings transfer on payday before spending anything else. Use a budgeting app like YNAB or Mint to track your spending automatically. Adjust as needed. The goal is progress, not perfection. That is the complete budgeting system. Simple enough to start today. Powerful enough to change your financial life forever. If this video helped you, please hit that subscribe button. I put out new money tips every single week, and I genuinely want to help you build real wealth. Drop a comment below and tell me, have you ever tried budgeting before? Or is this your first time? I read every single comment and I would love to hear from you. See you in the next one. Take care of your money, and your money will take care of you.